Splash here, back with another wisp over. As I only do voiceovers at night. But yeah, I'm gonna start off with the bass. And something that happens after I get the bass, I just kinda keep letting it play. I kinda do that a lot with a lot of songs and a lot of tracks. And I've been trying to break the habit more in newer cut videos. But in a lot of these old ones, it's just gonna be real weird. Okay, in here I'm gonna pull up my media browser, not my expansion pack, sorry. And it's gonna cut to horns, but it cuts to horns because I could not find drums I liked. And there were some horns in there that I liked, so I put those instead. Sorry. It dabbles between me struggling to figure out what I'm trying to play. And then sometimes I just cut right to me playing it and recording it. This gonna be more apparent on the next like 2 cuts. See, I just start playing chords, and then now that I just record them, and then I failed to get me putting the effects on there to make them louder, to change the texture a little bit. See, it's gonna jump in volume a little bit after I move those 2 notes. Okay, the drums are coming up for real now. And I make a cut. It was not an editing cut. It was me actually pausing the recording. It was because, as you can see the time in the corner, it was pretty late at night. And I didn't know how long it was gonna take for me to get the drums. So I really just wanted to like focus on them without having to worry about like the length of the recording. Because 6 in